Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to remove this old grip here. As you can see, it's risen up. My son was playing cricket this morning and I realised that that needed to be reset. If you've got a new handle and you want to replace it, this video will cover that as well, but I'm going to also remove the old one without breaking it so I can recycle and reuse. So here we go. Firstly, as you can see, there's tape at the bottom here. So what I'm going to do is remove this old tape. Just need to be a bit careful when you get down to this bit. As you can see, it's starting to pull a little bit there, so I just want to be careful that I don't destroy the existing handle. So if you're really careful, you won't damage it as much as I have. But once we tape that, it should be fine. So what I'm going to do now is just carefully roll this back here and hopefully not damage it. And pop. So now basically you're in a position where if you had a new handle, this next section will show you how to fit that. I've got the old one here, so I'm just going to pull that out flat, and then I'm going to show you a technique for putting it back on.